Hello, my name is Trisina Chamosop, and I'm here to talk about one of my passions, African orphans. It seems like so many African people are focused on so many other things, like HIV and AIDS, they're focused on poverty, but the truth of the matter is there's some people who have been forgotten. So I just want to give you some information to help you just tell other people and let them know that African orphans have been sidelined. So I hope that you will enjoy this presentation. And the reason why I am so passionate about this is because 3 years ago, I was working with African orphans, and they went through so much, and just God has instilled something in me just to inform people about what's really going on, just the other picture. So I have a question. How many orphans do you think there are in Africa right now? Anyone?
70,000.
7,000?
70,000.
1 million?
5
5 million?
Close.
5 million? Wow, those are good answers. Let me give you the truth. 11 million today. Woo! 11 million. Half of whom are between the ages of 10 to 14. And the sad news is, by 2010, it's going to reach 20 million. So what are we doing wrong? 20 million. It's increasing, and it seems that no one cares. So I just want to give you more information because everyone looks shocked. So I want to give you more information about this. I want to give you 4 countries that are affected by this AIDS orphans issue: Botswana, Lesotho, Swaziland, and Zimbabwe. Definitely all other African countries have been affected by this issue, but these are the 4 prime ones. And if you look at this, there is a common characteristic. We know Swaziland because of poverty. You know the king, and I think all of you know the story. The king is just misusing the funds, so it's like the orphans are doubling, and then Botswana, Lesotho, Zimbabwe, you know, also because of corruption. So every country shares a common factor contributing to this AIDS issue, the AIDS orphans. So I just want to give you more of a statistic. This is a graph showing us from 1990 to 2007. And the sad thing is, it looks like it's escalating. There is no point that it's decreasing. So 2010, as I told you, it's going to be 20 million. I don't think even this graph is fit enough. They'll need to draw a bigger graph to fit the 20 million by next year, which is 2010. And then I want to discuss the problems faced by AIDS orphans. Therefore, the first one is emotional. After losing your parents, especially to AIDS, you just see that the children are crying. I've personally witnessed it, and it's awful. The second one is the household impact. I usually term this the child-headed household. This is sad because once your parents, especially if you're the firstborn, if your parents pass away, what happens? You become the head. You have to sacrifice everything. You may have to drop out of school. So it ties with my third point, education. You have to drop out of school to support your younger siblings. Then stigma in society. I know it's already hard enough to lose a parent, but to lose a parent to AIDS, wow, what a stigma. Then there's health and malnutrition. You have to focus so much on the issue of they have to eat well, but health and malnutrition is affected. What are the reasons for the increase? Lack of education, corruption, and ARV is insufficient in the community. So how can we help? I have 2 main points: projects and fundraising for school. I want each of you to go and directly help the children of Africa. The issue is right now, people are focusing on the organizations to go and help the African orphans. But I want you to directly go and help each and every one. This is going to eliminate the intermediaries who are corrupt. So if you go and directly help the African orphans. This is going to do a great deal to curbing this. So what next? I've given you the information, so I want you to just go ahead and impart it to everybody else. And then I have 2 sources of information that you guys can go ahead and read. AIDS Orphans by Mary Elizabeth Lloyd. And then also the statistics. Just go to the UN website and you will get more of the statistics. And remember, by 2010, 20 million will be affected. So we have to make an